Good morning, children. In today's class, we will see exercise 1.4. Its question number 1 is evaluate. So, children, you already know how we are dividing two numbers. So, if there are integers given to you, so it will not affect our division. Division will be same, but according to the sign, we put the sign in the result. Whatever sign is given to you in those numbers. So its first part is minus 30 divided by 10. So if you will divide 30 by 10, so the answer is 3 because 10 3s are 30 and it is negative sign is given to you. So there will be negative sign. Okay. If we see the next part like this, C part, minus 36 divided by minus 9. So the division will be 9 4s are 36. So its answer is 4, but there are two negative signs given to you in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So both signs will cancel each other. Okay. You can understand like this, minus minus is plus. Or you can say, as we cancel these numbers, 36 by 9, 9 4s are 36. In that way only, the sign from the numerator and from the denominator, they cancel each other because both are negative. So there will be positive answer. So the answer is positive 4. So in this way, you can solve rest of the questions, rest of the parts of this question by yourself. Now, if we move to question number 2, it is saying to verify. What we have to verify? Verify means, children, we have to check. We have to check it. Okay. A divided by B plus C not equals to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Now, in first part of this question, the value of A, B and C are given to you. A equals to 12, B equals to minus 4 and C equals to 2. So first of all, children, we will put the value of A, B and C here. Yes, so A equals to 12, B equals to minus 4, C equals to 2 is given to you. So what is LHS here? LHS is A divided by B plus C. Now, put the value of A, B and C. Of A, B and C. So what are the values, children? 12 divided by B plus C, minus 4 plus 2. Okay. Now 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2. Positive negative is negative. So it will be minus 2. Okay. Now 12 divided by 2 is 6. 2 6 are 12. Now there is negative sign given. Positive negative is negative. So it will be negative 6, children. This was our LHS, left hand side. Now if we are talking about RHS, so what is RHS, children? A divided by B plus A divided by C. A divided by B, it is in one bracket, plus A divided by C. So what are the values of A, B and C? A is 12. 12 divided by -4 plus 12 divided by 2. Okay. Now it will be equals to what? 4 3s are 12. Okay. 4 3s are 12. So positive negative is negative. Negative sign is given in the denominator. So it will go in the numerator. So it will be -3 plus 2 6 are 12. So it will be what? Both are positive. So it will be positive answer. Now 6 my positive negative is again negative. So it will be 3. This is positive 3 in the RHS. We got the answer, and negative 6 in the LHS. So are they equal, children? No, they are not equal. So we can say that LHS is not equals to RHS as it was given in our question. We have to check it whether left hand side is equals to right hand side or not. So first we solved left hand side, then we solved right hand side, and we saw that the answers are not equal. So we can say that it is verified. Okay.